Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple coconut jollof recipe with you all, which you're going to love it at the end of this video. And so if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Alright, so for the stew that I'll be using for this recipe, I've already uploaded it on my YouTube channel, which is the one pot jollof stew recipe. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. So now let's get started. So to begin with, I will scoop some of the stew into a different pot. And for the rest of the stew, I'm also going to be using it for different jollof recipes coming very soon. So moving forward, I'm going to be adding in some washed rice. I'm using 5 cups of washed rice, okay? You can as well use any perfume rice of your choice. I will stir very well until the stew mixes well with the rice very well, okay? Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still liked this video yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give me a thumbs up, share this video to reach wider audience, and please do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so next I'll go in with a little bit of salt to taste because the salt wasn't enough for me. I will stir beautifully until everything is nice and well incorporated. So after mixing everything well, I will go in with just a little bit of water and also my coconut milk. You can as well omit the water if you really want to use only coconut milk. So after adding everything, I will stir very well. Cover it and allow it to cook until the rice is nice and ready. And be sure to check your rice from time to time because we really want our jollof rice to really come out very well, okay? So whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, do well to turn it on so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on our jollof rice for the second time, and it's looking all perfect and a little bit moist. So I will just give it a gentle stir. Cover it again using the aluminum foil and allow it to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat. Remember, we don't cook jollof on high heat. If you really want your jollof rice to really come out very good, then it's always advisable for you to cook your jollof on low medium heat to achieve the perfect result. Alright, so as you can see, the jollof rice is almost done. So now let's cover it for the last time for about 5 to 10 minutes on low medium heat, and afterwards our jollof rice should be ready in no time. So approximately I've been cooking the jollof rice on low medium heat for about 35 to 40 minutes, and after 35 minutes of cooking this jollof rice, just look at how beautiful and appetizing it turned out. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this coconut jollof rice recipe. It came out so good, and I hope you're going to try as well. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.